Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Today, I'm going to cover the Water TechniX LED pool lights available from mrpoolman.com.au. The Water TechniX surface mount pool light is designed to be the most durable and reliable retrofitting pool lighting solution on the market. The superior colour and brightness will far exceed the life of original halogen pool lights. If you're looking for a cost-effective light upgrade that will perform like you've never seen before, the Water TechniX light is the answer. The Water TechniX light is a stylish light that includes everything you need to retrofit and install within 20 minutes. Water TechniX pool lights use 88% less energy, last 5 times longer, and are far safer than traditional halogen light. They deliver an ultra-bright, crisp light over a wide-angle lens to hit all corners of your pool. Water TechniX pool lights also work with existing transformers, 12, 24, or 32 volts. You'll never have to change bulbs or wiring as they are DIY friendly, so no need for electricians. All Water TechniX equipment is backed by a factory warranty. We have years of experience helping pool owners just like you, providing free quotes and advice so you can decide which option is best for your pool. Whether it's a warm summer's night or a poolside party in winter, the Water TechniX retrofit lights will create a vibrant oasis. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au. I'm Tom, happy swimming.